Juvenile Phillies, Viva Prime has just brought to you. Race number 7 in the Eastern Replay is brought to you by PCSO.
Walang kupas.
Gates open, they're up and racing for the Piltobo, Pilracom Mitra Cup Juvenile Phillies. We have Queen of Queens draws for your lead. Heaven Sent running in second, down in third, Blue Ocean. Then comes Alicia's Gold, while Especially Discreet is in behind them as they make their first turn. Queen of Queens in front by half a length. Running on the outside is Heaven Sent. Down in third is the stablemate of Queen of Queens, that's Blue Ocean. Especially Discreet running second last, while Alicia's Gold now in behind them. Heading towards the last 900. Now we have Heaven Sent takes the driver's seat over Queen of Queens in second. Blue Ocean running in third, Especially Discreet, and Alicia's Gold still running at the tail of the field. Heading towards the last 600. Heaven Sent still in front, fighting back once again by the release. Queen of Queens to gates the lead. It's now Queen of Queens regains the lead from Heaven Sent. Blue Ocean closing in third, then comes Especially Discreet, and Alicia's Gold running in behind them as they swing for home. Queen of Queens in front. Heaven Sent is on the outside. Blue Ocean joining in as they swing for home. Queen of Queens by about a length and a half. Heaven Sent is on the outside, running by the release. Blue Ocean with the last 100 meters more to run. Queen of Queens over Heaven Sent in second, and Blue Ocean. And finally, Queen of Queens, Heaven Sent, Blue Ocean. Close between Alicia's Gold and the Special.
Kaya nga na sinabi ko sa iyo, Bobby, no? Ano yan eh? Nakatalo sa sakay. Winner take all, naiwan po dyan, 41,552.
Second winner take all yan. 41,552. Second choice pala siya sa mga natira sa winner take all. At at third winner take all board natin, 2.9 million ang original pot. Matatabas ang kalahati, more than half, into 1.3 million na maiwan.
Lakas ng karera, Bob, no? Maraming salamat sa inyo, Baring Karerista.
Of course, inyong suporta always goes a long way. Quarter clockings natin, 18:30, 23, 24:30 at 28 for a total of 1 minute and 34 in this 1,500 meter race.